During the Ice Age preceding the era of dinosaurs, a colossal amphibian resembling a salamander reigned supreme as a formidable apex predator. Greetings, everyone. Today we will be delving into the captivating subject of Gaiasia genii, an extraordinary creature resembling a salamander that reigned as a top predator during the Ice Age, predating even the dinosaurs. Unearthed in Namibia, this ancient predator possessed a distinctive head shape reminiscent of a toilet seat, complete with formidable fangs that it utilized to ambush its unsuspecting prey. Belonging to a group of early tetrapods, it thrived within a vibrant ecosystem situated near the South Pole. This remarkable discovery provides valuable insights into the evolutionary journey of vertebrates during the Permian period and offers a glimpse into the astounding diversity of life across different geographical regions. And now, without any further delay, let us embark on our enthralling exploration. In the prehistoric era, long before dinosaurs roamed the earth, there existed a formidable predator that inhabited the marshy waters. This fearsome creature possessed a skull that measured an impressive 2 feet in length. Patiently it would lie in ambush, its massive jaws agape, ready to ensnare any unsuspecting prey foolish enough to cross its path. Allow me to introduce Gaiasia genii, a peculiar swamp-dwelling creature distinguished by its distinctive head, reminiscent of a toilet seat in shape. The scientific community detailed the findings of this recently discovered fossil in a publication featured in the esteemed journal Nature. According to Jason Pardo, a co-lead author of the Nature study and an NSF postdoctoral fellow at the Field Museum in Chicago, Gaiasia genii, a creature larger than a human, likely inhabited the depths of swamps and lakes. Its head, resembling a large flat toilet seat, enabled it to devour its prey by opening its mouth wide and sucking them in. The presence of enormous fangs and an entire front mouth filled with massive teeth further emphasized its predatory nature. Pardo suggests that while Gaiasia genii was a formidable predator, it may have relied on slow and patient ambush tactics. The fossil is attributed to the Gaias Formation in Namibia, its place of discovery, and is also named after Jenny Clack, a renowned paleontologist who dedicated her expertise to studying the evolution of early tetrapods, the group of 4-limbed vertebrates that emerged from lobe-finned fishes and eventually gave rise to amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. The fossil was discovered by Claudia Marsicano, a co-lead author from the University of Buenos Aires, along with her team. Marsicano expressed her astonishment upon stumbling upon the colossal specimen, which was lying exposed on the outcrop like a massive concretion. Instantly recognizing its distinctiveness, she and her colleagues were filled with great enthusiasm. Marsicano's attention was particularly drawn to the structure of the front of the skull, which was the only visible part at the time. The skull exhibited a remarkable feature, interlocking large fangs, resulting in a one-of-a-kind bite for early tetrapods. Among the discoveries made by the team, there was an especially remarkable find, a specimen with a perfectly preserved skull and spine that was still connected. Dr. Pardo, a member of the team, expresses their excitement over the abundance of exceptional material, particularly the intact skull, which allows for comparisons with other animals from the same era. This comparison provides valuable insights into the distinctiveness of this creature, revealing numerous remarkable features that set it apart. Namibia's current location is to the north of South Africa, but in the distant past, approximately 300 million years ago, it occupied a position even farther south. At that time, Namibia was situated near the 60th parallel, nearly aligned with the northernmost point of Antarctica as it exists today. This period coincided with the Earth approaching the conclusion of an ice age. While the swampy terrain near the equator was transitioning into a drier, more densely forested landscape, regions closer to the poles retained their swamps, potentially accompanied by pockets of ice and glaciers. In regions characterized by higher temperatures and lower precipitation, there was a process of transformation occurring among animals. The initial group of creatures with 4 limbs, known as stem tetrapods, diversified and diverged into different lineages that would eventually give rise to mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. However, in the outskirts, in areas such as present-day Namibia, more archaic forms persisted. Pardo explains that Gaiasia, a stem tetrapod, belongs to the ancestral group that predates the divergence into mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians, known as crowned tetrapods. The astonishing aspect of Gaiasia is its primitive nature, as it shares a connection with extinct organisms that disappeared approximately 40 million years earlier. In an intriguing relic from a bygone era, Gaiasia appears to have thrived despite its antiquity. According to Pardo, although there were a few other ancient creatures lingering 300 million years ago, they were scarce, diminutive, and occupied their own niche. In contrast, Gaiasia stands out as a sizable and plentiful predator, asserting its dominance within its ecosystem. The significance of Gaiasia genii extends beyond being just one species. Its existence provides valuable insights to paleontologists who are interested in understanding the changes that occurred during the Permian period on a global scale. This particular species sheds light on the stark differences between the southern regions and the equator during that time. These differences are of great importance because there are numerous animal groups that emerged during this period, and their origins remain largely unknown. The discovery of Gaiasia in the southern regions indicates the presence of a thriving ecosystem capable of supporting large predators. By further exploration, we may uncover more information about these significant animal groups, such as the ancestors of mammals and modern reptiles, which are of great interest to us. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.